Hi there. In this video, sorry about the light, I'm going to show you how to reset this inspection timer, which can be by kilometers or by days. I have a separate video that shows you how to reset it when it actually exceeds the required kilometers, but I'm ready to exceed the required time in days, so we need to do this another way this time. Yes, we need a computer with a VCDS interface. There is no other way. Any video that you can find online showing you to do it with the brake pedal, throttle pedal, hazard lights, whatever, is fake. It's impossible to do this. You need an interface, not especially VCDS. Any other interface out there probably will be able to do this, but you need to do your research first. I have this, so I'm using it. As you can see at the moment, I have different times for the oil change, actually mileage for the oil change and for inspection. I want to set them to be the same way. And yeah, so we open up the interface and we go to service interval reset. It will do some reading and give you a few info, so I will be back in a second. As you can see, it starts to read all the channels that it needs to. Be back when it finishes. Okay, so here is the info, and I'm going to show you the value that is actually giving us the 5 days right here. Oh, and my laptop just decided to do something a bit fishy. Let me try and correct this. Yeah, it's okay, now it's good. It's this thing right here. So we have 730 days and we are at 725. So yeah, that means 5 days. So channel 55 should be corrected. You could do that by yourself by going into the instruments and adaptation and channel 55 and put 0 in there. I'm not going to do that. I will use this option, and I will also do something else. A subscriber recommended that I change both of them to 15,000 kilometers because I do inspection and oil change at the same time, and that makes sense. So here we will go to changed to fixed intervals Canada, or Canada, how you pronounce it, and perform SRI. And yeah, it will do its thing and modify the values and whatnot. So I'll be back again when it finishes. And it finished. Let's give it an OK. And at this point, we need to also, where is it? Time-based service reset, rest of the world and Great Britain. Hit it. And perform SRI. And wait for it. Okay, and we should do done, go back, because that's about it. As you can see, the new values are right here, and we are finished. But weirdly enough, these two didn't change, so that thing with Canada might have actually not worked. That's a bit weird, so be back after I realized what happened there. Yeah, so sadly my subscriber was actually wrong. I need to go changed to fix intervals rest of the world and then perform SRI, and new values will be 365 days, not 730 days. So yeah, and again wait for it to do its thing and then we should be good. So this thing is done. Hit OK and we can give it a done go back. And let me just exit this menu and re-enter it, and still says the wrong thing. I think I'm going to actually take the contact and be back after that and see if it's okay. Sadly I need to shut off my laptop because I don't have a battery and it's plugged in here, so that would stop it. So be back in a second. No, I didn't shut off anything. As you can see, same values. No, what my subscriber told me, it's actually not working, sadly, because as you can see here, this value, so we need channel 52 and channel 54 are still wrong. So we need to go in channel 52 and put here value 150, and in 54 365. So yeah, 52 and 54. Let's do that. Yeah, this thing only goes with done go back. That's a bit weird. And yes, this video, as always, proves to be a long one. I am sorry about that. But yeah, at least I'm showing even stuff that people say it's working, but in reality it's actually not working. So let's read channel 52. And we put new value. Okay, so for Canada it's completely different value. And even for my car should be a completely different value. So should I put it actually double for my car so I don't reset it at the same time? Yeah, I'm going to put it double for my car. So I reset it only from... Actually, no, I will... Ugh, this is annoying. I'm going to reset it every single year. Because I actually do the inspection myself every single year, so... Yeah, it doesn't need to be doubled. I'm not taking this car to a service. Or I am taking it to a friend's service, but not to a dealership, stealership, whatever. So yeah, that thing did change, as you can see in there, perfect. And I'm going to go to channel 54, give it a quick read, and put it here 365. 365. And give it a quick test and save. Yep, voila. But that I reset it yesterday, so I'm going lower from this thing. Click on it. Do you want to reset? Yes. Ta-da! So each year I will reset it by this thing from this point onwards, and they are both synchronized. So yeah, hope this video helps you, even though it's quite long, but yeah, it shows what works and what doesn't. If it helps you, give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye. And yeah, I have a ton of A4 B8 related videos, so maybe you want to check those out. Anyway.